Yo,
Yeah,
it's dead in this town.
man,
You know,
it's crazy.
gotta shake things up.
Yeah,
For real. Let's go.
Hey guys, Bradley Robbery is back. I went the other videos I made and I deleted some of the videos that I tried making. Yeah, shade of green.
Now I'm going to be continuing on because, and the reason why we deleted the other vids is because
He's a boy. So yeah, now I finished adding. What the hell?
okay, wake the streets up. Okay, come on. Okay, wake the streets up.
we're gonna do another. Okay. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, we're gonna be making part 2. Okay.